Hi, I'm Kim with WASA.
And I'm Jack Arend from AWSP. Kim and I are excited to share the latest opportunity for our two associations to partner in support of Washington's education leaders and the students we serve. We want to hear your thoughts and suggestions around TPEP.
We believe a growth-focused evaluation system plays a critical role in advancing our collective commitment to equity and excellence in student learning. Therefore, WASA and AWSP feel privileged to hold seats on the OSPI TPEP Steering Committee to ensure that we are accurately articulating the desires of our members relating to the evaluation of teachers and principals. Both associations are launching this Thought Exchange prompt to gather ideas from you. Here it is. What modifications could be made to TPEP in an effort to have a meaningful yet manageable evaluation system?
After we close the response window, we'll then share a summary of the results from each association's membership with the TPEP Steering Committee. We are both optimistic that this feedback, along with information shared from WEA and ESDs, will seed conversations that in time will lead to a TPEP system that is both manageable and meaningful for all.
Remember, the purpose of this activity is to identify TPEP modifications. Here are a few quick tips about using Thought Exchange. First, the exchange is confidential. Your thoughts will be shared with other participants, but not your identity.
Please share each unique thought in a separate response. You'll be asked to share your first thought, say why it's important, and then submit that thought. Then you'll be given a new window to share another thought. For example, if you have a suggested timeline change and an idea for how to clarify a portion of the evaluation process, record them as two separate thoughts.
You will see and rate thoughts that others have shared. Rate responses with 1 to 5 stars. 5 means you strongly agree. 1 star means you strongly disagree.
You do not need to rate all the thoughts, but we would love for you to try and rate at least 30.
Please come back to the exchange after you've submitted your thoughts to rate more responses. The exchange will be open through the end of November.
We're asking you to please allow about 5 minutes to participate in this activity, and we want to thank you in advance for sharing your thoughts on this important issue. Thanks also for your leadership and your dedication to the staff and students in your district. On behalf of WASA and AWSP, we thank you for all you're doing right now.